मेरी बॉडी, इस पे सबसे पहला हक तो मेरा बनता है।
Women or girls don't put up their pictures on social media to be rated by you whether we are fuckable or not.
It's really unfortunate that we live in a society where men think it is okay to attack a woman because of what she's wearing.
Some days ago, I made a video on the Instagram group chat called Boys Locker Room, which got outed by a girl because of obscene comments that were being made in that group chat with over 100 boys from South Delhi, from very prestigious schools, 16, 17-year-old boys. And they were objectifying women. They were discussing absolutely obscene and heinous things about these girls. And some of them were joking about something as serious as gang raping one of the girls that they were sharing pictures and talking about and rating them. Boys think that it's absolutely justified for them to rate women, to talk about their body parts, because women are putting out pictures that are revealing in nature. Whether they are wearing a bikini, whether they are wearing whatever dress that they want, whether they are showing some body part of their choice. These pictures girls are putting out on their own on Instagram. So boys think it is justified to rate them, to comment obscene things about them. So this is what I did. I called up a couple of my close female friends and I asked them what do they think about these entitled boys thinking that women deserve it, that they're asking for it. So what you're going to see next is Nidhi, Nandini and Astha share their opinions about a women asking for it.
मेरी बॉडी, इस पे सबसे पहला हक तो मेरा बनता है। आपका सवाल था कि वाई डू यू थिंक इट इज़ ओके फॉर women to put revealing photos online and then expect men to not creepily comment or share them with their other friends. And यार, बोलते हैं माई बॉडी माई रूल्स, है ना। सुनने में काफ़ी मे बी एरोगेंट भी लगता है, बट कितनी बेसिक सी चीज़ है। वी आर कमिंग बैक टू द आइडिया ऑफ, मैं क्यों बोल रही हूँ कि ये बेसिक सा सवाल है, ये बेसिक सी चीज़ है कि यार मेरी बॉडी, इस पे सबसे पहला हक तो मेरा बनता है, करेक्ट। इसके बाद मैं जिसके साथ भी शेयर करना चाहूँ उसके बाद उसका हक बनता है। बट तो सेम चीज़ अप्लाइज टू माई क्लोथिंग। मेरी बॉडी, मेरी लाइफ, मेरे रूल्स, मेरी इच्छा, मैं उसको पोस्ट करना चाहूँ या मैं उसको ना पोस्ट करना चाहूँ। मेरा प्रोफाइल एज वेल। आपके पास गिफ्ट ऑफ सोशल मीडिया है। आपको अगर मेरे फ़ोटोज़ ट्रिगर करते हैं या आपको अगर पसंद ना आते हैं तो आप अनफॉलो कीजिए। आप अनफॉलो करने में आपको 5 सेकंड लगेंगे, कमेंट और शेयर करने में आप अपने लाइफ के 10 मिनट स्पेंड कर रहे हो। तो ये तो आपकी कॉन्शियस चॉइस है कि आप एसहोल बनने के लिए अपना ज़्यादा वक्त भी ज़ाया कर रहे हैं और दूसरी लड़की को तंग भी कर रहे हैं, जबकि आपके पास सिंपल ऑप्शन था कि आप बस अनफॉलो कर सकते थे। अगर वो रिवील कर रही है तो शी इज़ आस्किंग फॉर इट। अगर वो रिवील कर रही है, शी डज़ नॉट डिज़र्व रिस्पेक्ट। ये रिस्पेक्ट का जो हमने नोशन लड़कियों की बॉडी से इतना स्ट्रॉन्गली अटैच किया हुआ है। कमला भसीन एक शानदार फेमिनिस्ट हैं। उन्होंने कहा था काफ़ी सालों पहले, एंड इट वाज सो पावरफुल दैट आई स्टिल रिमेंबर इट। उन्होंने कहा था कि लड़की का रेप होता है तो सबसे पहले सोसाइटी बोलती है कि हमारी इज़्ज़त ख़राब हो गई। कैसे ख़राब हो गई? आपने अपनी पूरे सोसाइटी की इज़्ज़त एक लड़की के वजाइना में क्यों डाल रखी है? आई वुड लाइक टू फील द सेम वे अबाउट दिस टॉपिक दैट वी आर डिस्कसिंग टुडे, कि क्यों आप ट्रिगर होते हो अगर कोई लड़की रिवीलिंग फ़ोटोज़ डाल रही है? क्यों आप उसको शेयर करना चाहते हो, उस पर कमेंट करना चाहते हो, इतनी गंदी गंदी वाहियात सी चीज़ें कहना चाहते हो और फिर उसको डिफेंड भी करना चाहते हो ये कहकर कि यार उसने डाला था तो ऑफ कोर्स शी वांट्स अटेंशन। वरना क्यों डालती, है ना? तो ये बातें अब बंद करनी पड़ेंगी, राइट? लाइक इवन आई हैव ग्रोन अप इन अ सोसाइटी वेयर I did as a teenager when I was in college. I would look at girls who would wear short clothes and be like, यार इससे अच्छा तो कपड़े ना ही पहनते. Like, you know, I have been that girl. But the only difference, I think, what I would like to think, in me and the you that I am hoping to speak to is कि मैं ready हूँ अपनी गलतियाँ accept करने के लिए.
So this may be brand new information to some people. I don't know how, but so there are a couple of reasons this is wrong. One, women or girls don't put up their pictures on social media to be rated by you whether we are fuckable or not. The second thing, that girls and women of all ages everywhere around the world face harassment. It could be a 3-month-old baby who's wrapped in a cloth because this so tiny that you don't want to put clothes on them. They are being raped. A girl in the US is sent back from school because her collarbone was showing, and that could arouse boys. A grandmother who's in her 90s, who's so petite now, she barely just drapes her sari around her body, and somebody enters her house and rapes her. So I don't think the baby, the grandmother, that school, that kid going to school were asking for it. So the problem is not my bra, my bra strap, my shorts, my pants, my skirt, my shirt. The problem is your head. How are we really, why do we really need this conversation? Why do we need to talk about that you're not supposed to do anything to any person without their will? It's horrible. It's really high time that we respect women's autonomy on their own freaking body. Saying that the way a girl is dressed, or the way she's taking her selfie, the way her breast shows in the selfie, the way her bra strap is peeking from behind her t-shirt in her selfie or her pictures is provoking boys is bullshit, to just transfer the responsibility from the perpetrator to the victim. We're just going in circles now, trying to find new ways to tell girls how not to behave, to give them new set of rules that, okay, do this, do that. Let's just please stop with that.
So what I think about this issue is that it's really unfortunate that we live in a society where men think it is okay to attack a woman because of what she's wearing, and they have like all these criminal tendencies that come out when they see either a nude or a picture of someone on their Instagram which is in a bikini or a bra or anything. If they're showing some skin, they become really primal, and they start behaving as if they have no control over what they say and what they think, and they are completely criminal in their thinking, which has been shown in this boys locker chat where they're talking about rape and stuff like that. So that is in no way justified, and that is should not be happening. And it's really scary that we live in a world where men think it's okay to talk like that, especially young kids like 15, 16, 18. Where are they getting these thoughts from? I'm amazed.
I think the important thing is this: if you are a man, shut up. We don't really have a right to comment on any woman's body unless they are specifically, explicitly asking for our opinion. Seriously, it might sound like breaking news, but try it. Including your partner, your girlfriend, your sister, your wife, your mother, unless they are specifically asking us for opinion about themselves. Maybe not share it. It's a personal struggle, I admit. I'm learning how to do this as well. So, guess what? You and I are in this together. Let's try and do this together. We are in lockdown. We can acquire new skills, right? Let's learn to shut up and not give unsolicited advice. I'm guilty as charged. And let's keep the conversation going in the comments. What do you think about what you've heard? If you are a man, I'd love to hear your opinion. If you're a woman, I'd love to hear your opinion. Please write. Please engage in conversations. Don't fight. Converse. बात करने से बात बनती है. Thank you so much for watching.